start recognizing reality as fractoral in nature and there is no zeros, you have to understand how these things work together. When you start counting 3 states or looking at personalities and numbers, you just start seeing it plain as day. So when you're trying to sort the numbers into their pairings and their groups, this is how that works. 1, 4, and 7 sums 12, 1 and 2 is 3. 2, 5, and 8 sum 15, 1 and 5 is 6. 3, 6, 9 sums 18, 1 and 8 is 9. And then when you count by threes, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 4s, 3 5s, the sum reduced to its lowest state is 3, 6, 9. And when you take Solfuego tones and you reduce them to their personality state, they also fall to this law: 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. That's the personality state of each Solfuego tone. And because of these personality states actually dictate primary color. Primary color. So I wrote an equation in regards to how expansion actually started. 3 is representation of consciousness. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s is 6. 3 3s is 9. 3 parts to 9. 3, 3, 3. Okay, so 3 is the consciousness, and it multiplied itself by half, 1.5. And what happened is a division of male and female energy, divinity, opposition of force, opposing forces, sexes. So it sexed itself. Consciousness sexed itself. It split itself in half when sexes. The result is 4.5. Multiplied by time 2, that's 9. Then you put time into motion times 2, that's 18. Then you multiply by 4, and that's direction. Your answer is 72. And you multiply by 5, which is the elemental properties of Earth. The result is the circle, 360 degrees. But also, I wanted to make a side note in regards to that, because at the same time that I'm doing this, I'm aware of the manipulations of 432 hertz. So while I go down these roads in regards to the circle, I'm also investigating into spherical understanding of sound and shape as well, and the meaning of the plutonic sound of 432 hertz. 4 is the squaring of sound, which is a square or a quadrangle. 3 is the trinity in the feminine sound. And 2 is the opposition to the male and the female. And the 432, the sum of that is 9. And I started thinking about biblical numbers and how they related to 432. And I'm looking at using 432 as the result. And I came up with some interesting numbers that when you multiply them by these numbers, you get an answer of 432. And for Christians, the first one should be a gimme, 144. That is the result of 12 times 12, 12 cubed, 12 dimensions. 12 times 12 is 144, or 144,000, but there is no zeros, so it's 144. 144 multiplied by 3, because 3 is 1, the result is 432. Half of 144, half of it is 72. 72 multiplied by 6, the result the same, 432. And half of 72 is 36. And 36 multiplied by 12, which is half of the last equation, was 72 times 6. 36 times 12, 432. 18 times 24, 432. 9 times 72, 432. take 360 and you subtract it from 432, the answer is 72. So, some interesting side notes in relationships of 360 and 432. Also, 360, the sum personality of the circle is 9, and the personality, again, of 432 is also 9.